Hi, this is Corey West, Senior Product Manager here at Sustainment. We get a lot of good feedback about the collaboration tools that we have on our platform, but we have a new use case that we've had a lot of you asking about. What about when I need to talk to my engineer or I need to talk to my salesperson? I know that you guys help us collaborate with our suppliers, but what happens when I need to collaborate with my team? Well, today we're going to walk through a couple of the new features that we've been rolling out that's going to create a space for you to collaborate with your internal team. Let's get started. Here we are on our projects page. You'll see over on the right we have a new section called Team Messages. This is the space that you can come to collaborate with your team. Just as a reminder, I can check up here at the top right and see who is on this project team. If somebody's not here, I can easily add them. In this example, I am working with Sarah and Bob. One note, if you're not on the project team, when you come here, you will see this state, oops, access needed. Simply, I can come and click Join Project, and now I am on the team. So here you can see we already have two messages. This first message is a message to Bob, our engineer, saying, hey, TX Welding, our supplier, has asked for a deviation. I needed engineering to sign off, so I asked if Bob could have a look. Looks like he has. He looked at the designs, doesn't change form, fit, or function, so we're good to go. Well, this is great because I'd also talked to Sarah, our salesperson, and said, hey, looks like we're about to save $500. I know we've kind of been in a tough spot with this customer. Maybe we could pass this along. All right, looks like Sarah is excited about that. So now that I've heard from Bob, I've heard from Sarah, I can just go ahead and let them both know that we are going to move forward. So you can see here, I am using the @ sign to trigger mentions. This is just going to extra highlight to Sarah and Bob that I'm talking to them. And I can say, let's go. Okay, so here we're going to send this message off. Now I need to talk to TX Welding, our supplier. I'm going to go to a different place to show you this, just to let you know that these new functionalities also live on our homepage. So if I come down to looking for the machined part that I'm looking at, you can see here that chat is already here. And now I can come and look at my chat with TX Welding and I can say, thanks for the suggestion, let's move forward. So as easy as that, I've now collaborated with both my internal team and my supplier to help keep this project moving forward. One last piece to show you. Before I leave, I'm going to come over to settings. If you are active in the platform and you don't want to be getting emails every time a new team message comes through, I can come to my notification section and I can update my team messages preference. If I leave this at all messages, I'll get a note every time somebody comments on one of my project's team messages, or I can change this to mentions only or nothing. Again, all of these messages will come through as email by default. If I were to jump over and look what that looks like, you can see here that these are the messages that I just sent and I'm receiving this via email. That way, it's all in one place, and again, if I need to reply, I can do that from here as well. Let's just say, woohoo. All of that collaboration and communication is going to show back up in our system, but you can do it from email as well. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to coming back to you next month with another release of our Sustainment product.